Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to do literature review with AI tools. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be demonstrating 3 different types of AI that would allow you or that would help you with your creation of your literature review. Now the first platform we have here is called Elicit. To be able to access this, you're simply going to go to elicit.com, and through this platform, you will be able to find different types of papers, basically putting in a research question or a specific topic related to, of course, the literature that you're trying to look for. You can also extract data from PDF and even list some concept. So simply ask it a research questions, for example, hydroponics. Then click on enter or click on the arrow, and it will search related papers. It will search for different papers about the topic that you have asked it to produce. And as you can see here, the papers will be listed below. As you can see, we have the hydroponics, a review. Hydroponics is a new paradigm. Hydroponics technology, systems, current features, state-of-the-art farming. It will show you all the different papers that it could find with the author and the different information like citation, all of those stuff. It is very useful. You can download a CSV of all this list. You can download a BIB. You can also see the abstract summary on the right side. As you can see, you have hydroponics is a technique of growing plants in a soilless condition with roots immersed in nutrient solution. And there's a lot of different information over here. You can also click on sort, which would allow you to sort it to the most recent, to the least recent, or the most cited, or the least cited over here. So for example, let's say most recent, and I think right now this is the most recent. So let's go with least recent. This one is the least recent, or did it change? Let's see. Alright, here, this is the one that is the least recent. As you can see, it's from 2003 with 88 citation by Dr. or D. Savas. You have hydroponics, a modern technology supporting the application of integrated crop and management in greenhouse. You have your abstract summary over here on the right. Hydroponics has no adverse effect on the quality of fruits and flowers produced in such system. And it's a very good sorting system. You could also have most cited so that you know, or you could find the best paper that you could cite from. It's the same one. We have 88 citation for the same topic. You have hydroponic technologies as a follow-up. You could select the specific paper that you want, for example these two, and you could click on show more like this. So if you want to see more related papers related to these topics over here, you can simply click on show more like this, and you can also click on add column, and you will be able to search or create a column about intervention, outcome methods, duration, participant age, region, organism, all of those extra information that you could add, and it will appear as part of the column over here for you to see. So actually, let's try adding maybe some limitation, and then funding source, detailed study type, click on save, and as you can see, it will appear over here as the column. And this is a very useful tool to be able to find a specific paper and information related to it, such as this study type. But as you can see, the detailed study type is review paper, and the limitation is not really, there's no really any limitation for this type of research. And if you want to view one, you can simply select. You will be able to see the abstract over here on the right side, and you can click on semantic scholar or this part over here, and it will show you or send you to the original paper site, as you can see here, which is very useful. You will be able to find the actual origin of the paper that you're trying to look for. Now the next one, we have something called bitmaps, and this one is something called a visual map. So you're simply going to either choose from any of this option. You have seed maps, the fastest way to get started with new article or research topic, powerful citation search that saves you hours of citation chasing, and visualize over here, understand and communicate the story behind your research. So for example, we could go with seed maps, then simply find an article. Let's do the same topic, hydroponics. Then click on search, and as you can see, it's searching right now. And you have here like an example paper. Simply select an article for your seed map. So select, for example, this one. Let's go with this one that we have. Click on generate seed map, and it will generate a map, a visual map of all related topics or all related paper about your specific topic that you have over here. And as you can see, all of this are connected to hydroponics. You can see it's either connected through citation or even references and all of those stuff. And you can see here like the details, references, cited by, in the library, authors, DOI, and abstract over here. You can also click on the source and you will be redirected once again to the main source of the paper that you have just found, which is very useful. You can see here the survey of smart R hydroponics. Same thing as here. We can just wait for it to load. It's a bit loading. Wait, there we go. And this is the original source of the paper. A very useful tool. And you can search literally any type of topic that you have. This one is for article, but you could search, for example, you have your own research, you can search something similar, then you will be able to, of course, find related articles related to the topic that you are actually creating. There's also Discover over here, which would allow you to have powerful citation search to save you hours of citation searching. Simply search the same thing, do the same topic, hydroponics, hydroponics, then click on search, and there we go. Let's search the first one again, and click on find related articles, and it will find related articles about your topic as well. There we go. It's a very good visual map, and you will be able to see the connection as you can see here. The farther away, the older it is, and the closer it is to your circle over here on the right side, the more updated it is. You can see. And you have a lot of things that you will be able to find. You have a lot of filters that you could check out and apply to your settings. And lastly, we have your connect papers over here. Connect papers, as you can see, will allow you to see connected paper in a visual graph. So simply enter the keyword, same thing, same topic, hydroponics. Click on build a graph, and it will build a graph for you similarly to what it did in Litmaps. Simply select the topic that you want to have a visual map built on, and there we go. It will show you all of the related topics or all of the related literature of the topic that you have added. Then, for example, we have here Maldonado, and this is the output over here, the right side. You have the title, the authors, the citation, and like abstract over here on the right side. Then you can simply open graph, or you can open in Semantic Scholar, Publisher page, or Google Scholar over here. You can also check out something like this. Same thing, all of the different options or all of the different papers has different open in. This one has PDF and DOI, and this one has PubMed as well. This one similar. This one has limited options, but as you can see, you will be able to see the connection between one another. Like as you can see, this research over here isn't connected to other researches, but it is directly related to the research that is connected to our main. And as you can see here on this part over here, you can see that there is a connection between these 4 research topics over here that are clustered together over here, which will allow you to see that they are all connected. You can see the connection between each paper, and it's a very useful tool to have. And those are the different tools or AI tools that I could suggest to you that would help literature review be a breeze for you researchers. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.